Pick up dang two, Donnie.
What?
Do you know how to play? No, you don't.
Pick up to my butt. Pick
Oh,
up.
East Indian.
Oh.
You are undercover trying to be English when really you are East Indian.
What are you?
I'm
Snotty. Snotty land.
Little guess what? You are. You are a most definite loser. That's why you have to pick up
1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good counting. So you must have been all
8.
around the world since you have that accent. I mean, wow. I mean, you can speak everything. I mean, that's pretty insane.
Ha.
I should have added an extra 2
Ha.
I have in my hand.
Ha.
But I decided
Ha.
to be nice to you and not.
Ha.
So you are such a loser.
Ha.
You have so many dang toes. What are you doing hiding underneath your bum?
You
Mother says
tush.
it's not very good to say bum.
Why are you
So-
saying it then?
Say bottom. Because Mother's not here. She can't.
She says you're
me down.
stinky.
She says I stink. But that's okay.
You proper
what can I
snot
do?
head.
Pick up 2, please.
1, 2.
Good girl. At least you know how to do something. Can you go now, please?
And we'll go. I had another 2. Dang, love it.
Hmm. Looks like your mother called you a loser too.
Well, you're
Why do
ugly.
you always pick up your pinky?
Yes, I'm British.
British don't do that. Big people like that.
Yeah, we
Into
can stick
bad
your thumb up
places.
your nose, you little snot head.
I ain't no little snot head.
Hurry
thank you
up.
very much.
Hurry up.
Change it to blue, please, because blue is my favorite colour and it's very English and proper. Unlike
Just because
your-
you're wearing it. Just because you're
Are
wearing
you
it, dude.
Scottish? You sound Scottish.
I am indeed.
Do you like to golf?
No,
The Scottish usually like to golf.
No,
but
they
I
don't.
guess you don't.
they like to eat leprechauns.
What in the world? That's Irish.
Alright.
You're not Scottish.
Now I'm Irish.
Did you pick up 4?
Yes, I did.
Are you sure about that?
I am indeed.
What the heck?
I'm
You're
East Indian.
Yes, I can see that.
What are you now?
I'm still
Yeah.
English.
Yeah. Red.
Change it to red.
Yes. You bet your bum like red.
East Indians would.
It's kind of both.
They're beaters, beachum. Game. Oh, it sticks to your hand.
It's because you're ugly.
Is that glue on your hand or something?
Blue glue.
Would you like some more tea? I'll pour you some.
I got my own.
No, but no. It has to go into the proper glass before you can. Put the pinky.
It looks ugly.
Here you go, please.
I'm waiting for myself to go. I am turning all kinds of people.
Speak in an Australian accent.
I don't know how. Pick up 2, pick up 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is nasty. Nasty stuff, I tell you.
Yes,
I
I'm
work at the
sure
Quickie Bar.
East Indians do like stuff more curry-like.
My mom's curry. She tells me all the time.
How do you know my mother?
I killed her with my thumb.
So now we're going back to being a
Murder.
Indian again, torturer. Yes. Very much then. Okay. What's that? Alien talk now?
Uno.
You scared me, Dawn. I was gonna say Uno myself. Why'd you have to do it?
You did not win. Now you
Uno.
win.
You have to go wee wee? Is
No.
that what you just said?
Pick up 4, you big butt.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Change it to red. How
Red.
you do?
Change it to yellow. Thank you very much.
Change it back to being yellow. Why don't you just change it to green?
Pick up 2, please.
Oh, your butt.
I know my butt. My mother calls me stinky butt, actually. The reason why I don't wipe my butt very well when I go number 2, I don't look at my toilet paper like some people. And then later on they find
I thought you said before that you
poo-poo chunks
do.
in their undies. Or
This is going on
English,
Facebook, you
like,
know.
call on nipples. Have you gone?
Yes, I just put the 7 down.
Then why didn't you tell me that?
Because it's obvious.
Well, guess I win.
That's retarded.
As
That's
English
bonk.
always do.
English my butt.
Please.